Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a table in MS Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly insert and customize a table with just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open MS Word on your computer. Now, go to the Insert tab located at the top menu bar. Next, click on the Table option. A grid will appear. Now select how many columns and rows you want, and simply click to insert it. And as you can see, the table has been added successfully. If you want to add color to any row, select the row, go to the shading option, and choose the color you like. And instantly, the color is applied. You can now type anything you want inside the table cells. Your table is fully editable and customizable, and that's it. You've learned how to make a table in MS Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy MS Word guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.